Hello and welcome to Northeast Media Hub, the fastest growing digital media platform. I am Adalbert Khar with the latest Hub news. Be informed, be alert. The Governor of Meghalaya, Satyapal Malik, conferred Governor's Gold and Silver medals to 44 Assam Rifles personnel for their stellar performance and gallantry action in service of the nation during the Assam Rifles investiture ceremony, which was held at Raj Bhavan, Shillong on Tuesday. The ceremony was witnessed by high-ranking civil and military dignitaries. Meghalaya football icon Eugene-Sun Lyngdoh has been approached by the people of Mauplang to contest from the constituency for the by-election and succeed his father, late Sintar Klas Sun. The Mauplang assembly seat fell vacant earlier this month after the demise of Sun, who succumbed to COVID infection on September 10, 2021. The supporters of SK Sun visited the family's home in large numbers on Monday to propose Lyngdoh's name as the successor of his late father. Meanwhile, Eugene-Sun and his family remain undecided on the proposal. The Election Commission of India on Tuesday announced by-elections to the 3 assembly seats in Meghalaya on October 30. The by-elections are necessitated following the deaths of 3 sitting legislators, David A. Nongrum from Maurangkaneng constituency, SK Sun from Mauplang constituency and Dr. Azad Zaman from Rajabala constituency. These will be held simultaneously along with 12 other assembly constituencies in 10 states and 3 parliamentary constituencies in the country. A day after being elected to the Rajya Sabha from Assam, Union Ports, Shipping, Waterways and Ayush Minister Sarbananda Sonowal resigned as the Majuli MLA on Tuesday. Sonowal submitted his resignation letter as the MLA of Assam's Majuli Assembly constituency to the Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly, Biswajit Daimari. With the resignation of Sonowal, the Majuli Assembly seat has become vacant. Moving on. In a dramatic operation, Bajali police arrested 3 frauds involved in several cases including theft at Pathshala in Assam's Bajali district. The police recovered cash, several ATM cards, gold jewellery and a stolen 4-wheeler car from the possession of the frauds at Pathshala near the HDFC and Axis banks. The 3 frauds have been identified as Sirajul Haq, Rafiqul Islam and Ramesh Ali. Police said the frauds replace ATM cards of the customers with similar ones available with them who seek help from other people in an ATM kiosk. Mizoram has reported 1 more death due to COVID-19 infection and 1,846 new positive cases in the last 24 hours. With the death of 1 more patient, Mizoram's COVID-19 death toll increased to 302 on Tuesday. Mizoram so far has reported a total of 90,539 COVID-19 positive cases. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday launched 35 crop varieties which are climate resilient. He said that climate change is a big challenge for agriculture and the entire ecosystem and stressed on the need to step up efforts to fight it. According to the Prime Minister's office, the crops launched today have special traits and will lead to awareness about the adoption of climate resilient technologies. Petrol prices across the country were hiked by 20 paise per litre and diesel by 25 paise on Tuesday as international oil prices neared USD 80 per barrel mark for the first time in 3 years. The price of petrol was hiked to Rs 101.39 a litre in Delhi from Rs 101.19 and to Rs 107.47 per litre in Mumbai, according to a price notification of state-owned fuel retailers. Diesel rates went to Rs 89.57 a litre in Delhi and Rs 97.21 in Mumbai. Prices differ from state to state depending on the incidence of local taxes. Here is an important public announcement. Walk into any vaccination site on vaccination day and get vaccinated. No prior registration on CoWIN is required for vaccination. Don't forget to carry a valid ID card for registration during vaccination. For further details updates, visit nhmmeghalaya.nic.in or call toll-free helpline 14410, issued in public interest by National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya. Thank you for listening to our podcast. For latest news and updates, follow us on www.hubnetwork.in. Download Hub News app in your mobile from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For promotion and publicity, write to us at info@hubnetwork.in. Thank you. Kublai Shibon, Mithela.